Oops. Okay, so you can see how I installed everything down here. I've got this Y splitter on the propane tank. This is going to the stove, and this one's running all the way through to the back for the water heater. And I've got the drain just draining right out the bottom. I'm not using a gray water tank. Really just going to be using water in here. I'm not going to be dumping anything that can't drain. So for me, this works out. You could always attach this pipe coming through the bottom to a gray water tank if you wanted one, but for me, I don't think it's important. So I'm building this cabinet here, which the refrigerator will sit on top of. I had to tear the whole wall up because I wanted to move the outlet from here to here. So I'll fix that tomorrow. But the bottom of this will have these storage cubes. It should fit 4 of these cubes in here, like that. And then I'm going to put a platform on top, and then the refrigerator will sit on top of that and kind of be enclosed inside. Just finished the cabinet here. This has 4 cubes in here, storage cubes. Kind of fit right into place. And I put a vent right here for the compressor. And I think I'm going to try and have a piece of white marble made for the countertop up here, which will give like another kind of prep area. So I'm going to make a template for that now. Got this countertop over at, I was going to some granite shops and asking if they had any remnants, little scrap pieces. And then I went to one of the manufacturers and made this piece for me to fit right over here perfectly. All these notches and everything, and polished the edges. $75 for the material, and cut it out and made it perfect. So I think that was a really good deal. So I'm just going to put some silicone on the edges and set it in place, let it dry overnight. That looks awesome. We're out here testing out the van at the beach with my beautiful wife, Gracie, and our friend, the Queen, Anna.
What's up, YouTube? So guys, look at, actually there's like dolphins or whales or something. Oh no.
Come look at video of the ocean.
What do you think? Should we sell this van or should we
No, I
travel?
don't want to sell it. But I think you should make another one and sell that one.
Yeah, and make more really great instructional videos for your channel.
Oh. Should we have more of these two or less of these two in the videos? Let us know in the comments.
Look at that. What's it called? Grooving?
Look at this molding.
Molding. There we go. I got it.
It's perfect.
Crown molding. They like the crown molding.
Look at that curve.